Is it true that website caching alone can dramatically speed up your website? Let's find out. Simply put, website caching is the process of storing copies of website data such as files, images, and more, so they can be delivered more quickly. Think of it as a middleman between your visitors and your server. In general, cached pages can load up to 90% faster than non-cached pages. However, there are different types of website caching. At SiteGround, we have a 3-level caching system. Let's take a closer look into each one of them. The first layer is our Nginx direct delivery caching, which is responsible for static content. It saves static content like images, CSS files, and JavaScript after user loads your site for the first time, so for future visit, it will deliver the saved content much faster. Second comes our dynamic caching. It stores the entire HTML of a web page, so the next time the visitor loads it, the server won't have to take the time and resource to put the whole web page together all over again. Instead, it will display the already saved HTML from the dynamic cache right away, drastically reducing load time. But what about website content which is created real-time and unique for each visitor, like a shopping cart or a client profile, for example? Normally, the server would need to fetch this data from your database each time the page loads, which can slow things down. That's where our third caching layer comes in. It's called Memcached. This type of caching is recommended for websites with bigger databases and lots of visits and server queries, such as online stores. With Memcached, user-specific information fetched from the database is saved in a super fast temporary storage on the user's first visit. So the next time the user makes the same request, for example loading their client profile, the server can quickly retrieve it from Memcached instead of fetching it from the database, making the page load much quicker. Both static and dynamic caching are turned on by default for every website hosted at SiteGround, regardless of your hosting plan. You don't have to lift a finger, it just works. Memcached can be activated on demand through your Site Tools control panel. If you'd like to fine-tune your caching settings and you use WordPress, our Speed Optimizer plugin, which we pre-install for all of our WordPress clients, gives you better control over what to cache and what to exclude. It includes an automatic cache flush option with every page update, ensuring your content is always up to date. If you're not a SiteGround client, you can still try some of our website caching benefits with the Speed Optimizer plugin for free. More info on that on the link in the description below. That's it. Website caching does make your site faster, but it's even better when you have a high-performance hosting provider who can let you use different kinds of caching right out of the box and save you time and hassle.